Learn English to Gujarati months, January to December in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the calendar circus. Hey, you are about to meet the months in Gujarati, and yes, they are far more dramatic than they should be. Relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy the chaos. Imagine a sleepy calendar waking up and shouting, "Who am?
Who?
Question mark quote. Then it remembers, oh right.
Who?
I'm a calendar and my job is to carry the year from
January
to
December.
Quote. Your mission today is simple. Hear the English month, meet the Gujarati month, and make friends before they run away into next year. The year opens the door. Let us start at the front door of the year. The first months always enter like they own the place. January is
January.
Picture fireworks fading, a new diary opening, and a proud calendar saying, I am first. February is
February.
It is the short month, the tiny sandwich of time, the month that arrives and leaves before you finish your tea. March is
March.
Easy to remember because it sounds a lot like March. Also, it secretly wants you to march in place. April is
April.
Flowers bloom, pollen attacks, and the calendar sneezes politely. A silly story of hot weather. Now the year gets warmer, louder, and a little sweatier. Perfect learning conditions, obviously. One day,
Who?
Packed a bag and told my dramatic calendar, I travel in
June.
Quote. The calendar gasped. Only in
June.
What about?
July.
What about?
August.
Question mark quote. I said, calm down, paper rectangle. Summer is not a competition. Then the weather grew hotter.
June.
Opened the sunny door.
July.
Arrived with mango juice and rain clouds, and
August.
entered like a golden late summer king wearing sunglasses indoors. Back to routine, maybe. After summer fun, the calendar suddenly becomes serious, as if it pays taxes. September is
September.
Think of new books, fresh plans, and a neat calendar page. October is
October.
Cooler air, festivals, and that feeling that the year is moving faster than your socks in a washing machine. November is
November.
Calm, cool, thoughtful, and standing quietly before the grand finale. December is
December.
The last month, the closing curtain, the month that says, well, that was fast. Mini dialogue with a confused calendar. Listen to this tiny dialogue and enjoy the calendar being a little too emotional. A. What month comes first? B.
January.
A. What comes after?
January.
B.
February.
A. And after that? B.
March.
Then.
April.
A. I want summer. B. Fine.
June. July. August.
Happy now? A. Slightly. What comes next? B.
September. October. November. December.
A. Amazing.
Who?
Am now 7% smarter. Quick recall drill. Your turn. Say the Gujarati month after the English one. No pressure. Just the full pressure of the entire calendar. January.
January.
February.
February.
March.
March.
April.
April.
June.
June.
July.
July.
August.
August.
September.
September.
October.
October.
November.
November.
December.
December.
I.
Who?
Memory tricks that actually behave. Here are a few fun hooks so the words stick in your mind instead of escaping through the window. Many of these Gujarati month names sound similar to English, which is excellent news for your brain. Think. January.
January,
February,
February,
March,
March,
April.
April,
Summer keeps the pattern going with
June, July,
and.
August,
Then come
September, October, November,
and.
December.
4.
Who?
Just point to yourself like a very confident movie hero. Your final challenge. Let us finish strong. You listen, repeat, and pretend your calendar is giving you a tiny standing ovation. Say this chain aloud.
January, February, March, April,
Now summer.
June, July, August,
Now the later months.
September, October, November, December.
Finally say.
Who?
Can learn Gujarati. Yes, you absolutely can. Friendly goodbye. Nice work. You made it through the year without being attacked by a wild calendar. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these English and Gujarati month names out loud.
January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
And.
Who?
Come back, repeat them again, and let your memory get stronger every day.